Hello. In this lesson, we're going to be talking about how to solve quadratic equations by the quadratic formula. What is the quadratic formula? Quadratic formula is a long formula just to find x in a quadratic equation. It goes negative b plus minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Why would we need a quadratic formula? The quadratic formula is only used in quadratic equations. What is a quadratic equation? The quadratic equations are equations with multiple x's. Like, let's say, 2x squared plus 1x plus, let's say, 2. And in this, a would be 2, because this 2 would be a. B equals 1, because this 1 would be b, and c would be 2, because this 2 equals c. But we're going to be talking about other equations, not this one, because this one would be way too easy. Okay. Let's say 3x squared minus 1x plus 9. First, we're gonna find a, b, and c. A would equal to 3. B will equal to negative 1. C would equal to 9. Okay, now we have these. Now we take these and we're gonna find x in this part. X would equal to negative b, as we said, for the quadratic equation. We're just gonna write that down for ac over 2a. Then we're gonna go and actually find it. So we're gonna take these just make them smaller so we can put them next to us. Okay. X would equal to negative 1, the plus minus sign, square root of negative 1 to the power of 2, 4, negative 4 plus times 3 times 9 all over 2a, which is 2 times 3. Okay, now we simplify it. So negative 1 is just 1. The plus minus side will stay there. Square root of 1 is 1 again. Minus negative 4 times 3 equals negative 12 times 9. We're gonna simplify that later. Then we're going to take that. 2 times 3 equals 6. Simplify it again. X equals 1, that square root of 1 minus 108 all over 6. So 108. Yeah, it is 108. Okay. Nope. All over 6. We simplify it again. X equals 1 plus minus square root of negative 107. Since that can't be simplified, this can't be simplified because the closest thing to it is negative 122 or negative 100. Nothing in between. We can't simplify that, so yeah, just gonna stay like that. Okay, just gonna stay like that. Now what are we gonna do? Turn x into 2 x's. First one, we're gonna take the 1, take the minus there, this minus, we're gonna put it here. We're gonna take the plus and put it here. So okay, 1 minus square root of 107 over 6, and the other one would be 1 minus 1 minus square root of 1 plus square root of 107 over 6. Since this can't be simplified anymore, the answer would be 1 x equals minus square root of 107 over 6, or x equals to 1 plus square root of 107 over 6. It's a very long equation, which would just find a very simple answer for everyone. Okay, now let's get a different question. Okay, pause. x2 minus x5x minus 14 equals 0. Okay, again, we will first find ABC. A, since here there's nothing, it would actually equal to 1 here. So A would equal to 1. 2, B will equal to negative 5. And C would equal to negative 14. Okay, we're gonna take that and put it in the quadratic equation formula. So x would equal to negative times negative 5 and plus minus square root of negative 5 squared minus, let's make that longer, 4a, which is 1, and C, which is negative 14, which is going to be a big number. All over 2, 1, which is just 2. Okay. Now we're going to do that again. X equals simplification. 5 minus square root of all of that. 25 minus 4. A will just stay the same, and C is negative 14 all over 2. Since 2 minus 2 times 1 equals 2. X equals 5 minus plus square root of 25 minus okay, we're gonna start again. Negative 4 times negative 14, which would equal to plus 44, 52, 56, all over 2. X would equal to 5 plus minus plus square root of 181, which will turn into X equals 5 minus 9 over 2. And again, as we said last time, we're gonna make 2 x's, x1 and x2. We're gonna take the first one as minus, second one as plus. So 5 minus 9 over 2 and 5 plus 9 over 2. 5 minus 9 over 2 equals 9 over 3, which would equal to negative 2. This one, 5 plus equals to 14 over 2, which equals to 7. Other answer. X equals negative 2 or X equals 7. Okay. Now we have learned what is the quadratic formula. See you in the next video.